Now let's dig in deeper into the financial statements and do a more thorough analysis of the financial statements. So recall that we've been looking at this company and we looked at their balance sheet, income statement, statement of stockholders' equity, and statement of cash flows. Now we're fast forwarding, or not completely fast forwarding, but we had looked at the 2013 and 2014 actuals. So we're reminded of the 2014 numbers, and now we have some estimated financial statements for 2015. So what we're looking at now is the balance sheet, the asset side, and so you can see cash has increased dramatically. Accounts receivable is also up. Gross fixed assets is about the same. And on the liabilities and equity side, the biggest thing that you should be noticing here is that long-term debt has gone down and common stock and retained earnings have gone up. On the income statement, biggest thing we see here is we've jumped tremendously in net income. We've gone from a significant loss to a significant gain or positive earnings. Looking back at the individual numbers, sales are continuing to increase. And look at that interest expense line item. That has gone down. But that makes sense, right? Because we said that the debt has gone down from what we could see on the balance sheet. And again, we've got some other data to consider. Remember when we were looking at 2013 and 2014, the number of shares and the value of the stock had not changed. But now we had a significant stock issue. We went from 100,000 shares to 250,000 shares. I guess since we don't know anything just yet, we know that the number of shares has gone up, so it could have been a stock split. Earnings per share also went from negative to positive, which makes sense because net income went from negative to positive. And we see that they've restored the dividend. In 2013, the dividend was 22 cents per share. 2014, they cut it to 11, and now in 2015, we're back to 22 cents. Also, the stock price has rebounded nicely. We were down in 2014, and we're up almost 6 times in 2015.